sleep stepping doesn't work very well. Oh my god, is it hot up here? Is it just me?
Might be a little warm.
No, I didn't even realize that.
Why is it?
Oh, you didn't know that?
No,
Yeah.
I didn't even realize it.
Ready?
All right.
Hey, what did you say?
Number
He said,
2.
remember when
Here
I
comes the
didn't come
speed.
up to see Jen's HOH?
Oh, look at that picture! No, that little baby!
Oh my god, look at the hair. When the hell was that? Oh my god, that's Vincent's graduation. Look at my hair. He gets.
And a recycled picture from
Oh, you have a recycled one.
Oh, he is so cute.
There's a letter
You got jacked on that. Oh, smitten.
Ah.
Hey.
I'm excited.
Whoa.
What is it?
Oh, how fun! It's the feet. Yay!
Oh.
Ooh, lots of nerds.
What can I dig out of here?
Oh, we got a popcorn back.
Oh,
What are those?
Wow.
is that yours?
That's cute. Not mine, but I got more clothes.
Very nice.
Obviously, they think I don't have enough.
What the hell is this? Chocolate? Do you know that?
No. Yum. Dark chocolate.
And more
Yeah.
triple X pomegranates.
That's a really cute picture.
I like that one, dude. Your hair's pretty happening.
That was at my son's high school graduation.
Oh my.
Look at Danielle's hair. It almost looks like a pair of faucet
Ooh, they have dark chocolate with peanut. That's new.
This is the only two that look like her. Other than that,
There's
I
a
would never know.
fish.
The hair just.
Yeah, the
I
dark
would never
hair.
know.
Oh,
She only
God,
had it dark
so
for
much
a little
work
while,
put into it.
which is-
Yeah.
He hand wrote it?
Yeah. I'll read it later.
She was.
Oh,
That
I'm
was
so
5 years ago.
excited.
Wow. Oh, so wait.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
That's a horrible picture of Demon. But I'm so happy.
Yeah, that was, I think, like 3 years ago.
Oh, is that
Him.
that Lindsay and his?
And her baby.
He's so cute.
And then those are Lindsay and me again too. That's a horrible picture.
This is family
That's
right
a
here.
horrible picture of all 3 of us.
That's
Buddy.
Do it.
No color in the hair. Wow.
She looks really
Look at
different. in this
Danielle.
picture.
Yeah.
It's
It's not a good.
horrible.
It's not a good picture of any of us.
Nice
I
flower.
know. What is that?
What is that?
What was I thinking?
Flower with a shell necklace.
Oh God.
Look, Jessica's laughing her ass off.
And yet
Just
another
insane.
picture.
Hey, I have brunette pictures too. Dana.
You can't get rid of that band.
I know.
It just stays.
It keeps coming
Yeah,
back.
what is up with that? They can't find another picture of you and your grandmother?
I guess not. Oh, I'm so happy.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Congrats. Wow.
Lots
Now,
of
before we
nerds.
get Chinese
see the
food,
drinks.
we will let you to yourself to read your letter from Nick.
Thank you.
That's a big envelope.
Wait a minute. This.
It's on
Oh,
my
she wants to
envelope.
go in the
Just
fridge.
stuck it
And the fridge, more vitamin water.
Ah, that's
Yeah,
cool.
that's it. And
Ginger
here.
ale.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the big ginger ale.
Big ginger ale.
Yeah.
Danielle.
You a woman?
Wouldn't have thought that.
You
Danielle.
got the big ginger
You got
ale.
the big one this
Oh,
time.
yeah.
I'm going to steal a coffee if you
Oh
don't
God,
mind.
and a whole bunch more vitamin water. I still have one. Ooh, and I got corn dogs.
Yeah, you did
I was
not.
just complaining that there's no corn dogs
Corn
here.
dogs.
I love it.
That is so awesome.
That's hilarious.
We were talking about hot dog on a stick.
I was like, I wrote down corn dogs. I want corn dogs. How funny. What is this?
Wow.
More pretzels.
More pretzels.
More Trader Joe popcorn.
back.
And everyone's welcome to my food too. Oh my God, especially my Skittles.
Jeez.
Oh wow, 2 huge bags.
Yeah, I know. They're like, what a
Yeah, that's a
snacky.
cute picture.
Flavor that Fritos, you'll be
Ooh,
done
and I got
with
2 of the ones I
by
like.
2 hours from now.
On the
So
This
happy.
picture, I can't
Frame.
believe that picture.
Like,
Oh my
think
god.
That's a doozy.
Danielle, he's
They
so
got to
cute.
zap both of you with that one.
Yeah, no kidding.
That's a double
And
L.
that's a bad
Remember
picture
when
of
that
him
movie
too.
got
So
Like, yeah, they got me with this.
How
long was
that?
I'm like, how long have we been in here? And it's probably from the beginning of the year.
Oh.
Around winter
That
time.
was right before.
I know. He looks like Stone.
Yeah, totally.
You're like, I didn't want to say it, but thanks for pointing it out.
Very content,
Yeah.
that's for sure.
My hair was dark for like a year, and I cried